We're having a conversation today about divine timing, reminding you that you must be clear in your asking so we can deliver the right stuff to you. Now you must also be honest, not with us, for we already know your truth. But you often hide it from yourself and then wonder why life isn't better. Be honest and clear. Figure out the why of what you want to gain clarity and then ask. Divine timing is up to the universe in some cases, but often the truth lies within your intentions and requests. Do some soul searching and then ask. Divine timing will do the rest.